Political will is the engine for change. This is a strong message from the SPC's principal strategic lead, Mereseini Rakuita, while speaking at a panel discussion during the Fijian Press Club's event on gender equality in the Pacific. Rakuita says, with this political will, we see action. Without it, even the best designed commitment stall. Eva Danford reports.
SPC's principal strategic lead, Mereseini Rakuita, says there really needs to be a change in mindsets and cultural perception about women in the Pacific, highlighting significant progress and gender equality over the past decade.
Our work for gender equality is not a sprint, nor is it the task of a single actor. It is woven thread by thread through partnerships, leadership, learning, and courage. I'm proud to be part of a region that is asking the hard questions, listening deeply, and moving with purpose.
Rakuita says Fiji is playing catch-up when it comes to laws and policies on gender-based violence.
Even recognizing TFGBV as gender-based violence, it's a leap. And that conversation has started in quite a big way in the Pacific. There's a few champions in that area at political level here in the region. Fiji's former Minister for Women is one who brought it to our triennial conference for women ministers last year. And out of that, this program at SPC has been birthed.
CEDAW member and Australia's Royal Commissioner has emphasized the positive impact of women in Parliament and calls for increased female representation in parliaments, particularly in the Pacific region, to better address needs of women and girls and combat violence.
Using the convention and the articles contained within it, we can support states across the world, but including in our region, to attain gender parity, hopefully in parliaments, and support other services, policies and legislation that will ensure that women and girls not only enjoy equality, but particularly, and this is something close to my heart, they're free of violence and importantly free of the fear of violence.
She says that she believes that more women in positions of power, generally more women in parliament, significantly lead to legislation and policy that better address the needs of women and girls. Eva Danford, Fiji 1.